گاهی گذشته پر از جمله هایی است که شروع میشن با could have. سلام دوستای عزیز. امروز میخوایم بریم سراغ چند تا جمله خیلی قشنگ و فیلمی با could have. این ساختار دقیقاً جایی استفاده میشه که درباره گذشته صحبت میکنیم و حسرت، احتمال یا فرصت‌های از دست رفته رو نشون میده. کاملاً طبیعی‌اند و توی فیلم‌ها، سریال‌ها و مکالمه‌های واقعی زیاد شنیده میشن. پس با دقت گوش بدین و سعی کنین بعد از هر جمله یکی دو جمله مشابه بسازین. شروع کنیم.
Saved you, but you pushed me away. 2. You could have told me the truth from the start. 3. We could have had something real, but you chose fear. I could have walked away, but I stayed for you. 5. He could have been a hero, but he refused to change. 6. She could have forgiven you if you had just asked. 7. We could have won, but we gave up too soon. 8. I could have called you, but I didn't want to disturb your peace. 9. You could have stayed, but you chose to leave. 10. I could have understood you if you had let me in. 11. They could have fixed everything, but pride stopped them. 12. She could have changed her life, but she was afraid to try. 13. We could have talked it out instead of fighting. 14. You could have trusted me, but you didn't. 15. He could have stopped the car, but he kept driving. 16. I could have loved you better if I had known what you needed. 17. We could have made memories, but we made mistakes. 18. You could have been honest with me. 19. I could have fought for us, but I realized I was alone. 20. She could have stayed silent, but she chose the truth.